Hi, everybody. Just a quick note what I'm looking at with this potential snow ice storm coming this weekend. It still looks like Pacific moisture returns to our area at some point Saturday, whether it's the morning or early afternoon when we start to really see something. That's a bit of a question mark right now. But I think confidence is almost full that Portland starts off in the mid to upper 20s that day and never really gets above 32. And if that's the case, there'd be enough moisture that we could see potentially 3-4 inches of snow, and then with the warming trying to take place and the gorge east winds blowing, you always kind of assume there's got to be an icy window in there somewhere. But I think one scenario is we stay 32 or colder on Saturday. We accumulate snow. Maybe some areas get a little bit of ice, and that continues Saturday overnight, and that continues at least Sunday morning. And areas near downtown Portland out into the gorge could stay in the cold with accumulating snow or ice all the way into Sunday night. There's a cold front that comes in Sunday night. It's a Pacific front. Assuming that's strong enough, it will plow through the east wind in the gorge and turn everything back to the west. So if that happens by Monday morning, even the gorge would be warm and we'd be back to normal with temperatures in the 40s and rain falling. Also, I want to remind you, with all this talk of Portland snow and ice, maybe 6 inches of snow over the weekend, for example, it's very possible that Saturday night, Sunday morning, Portland could be looking at accumulating snow with a temperature of 31, 32 degrees, and Salem could be raining in 46. Again, this is driven by the cold winds shooting out of the gorge. So if you don't get that cold east wind, Salem doesn't, for example, you would have a chance to warm up. Anyway, lots to keep aware of as we get going into the weekend, especially if your plans call for the Columbia River Gorge. That could be bad enough snow and ice where they would have to close the highway down at some point with no warm-up guarantee there until Monday. And maybe not in Portland until late Sunday or Sunday night. Keep updated, and thanks for using this weather site.